want to. Come along.
This is just a statue of a snake.
So which way should we go first? Should we go to should we go to the rhinoceros, the elephant? Where should we go?
I don't know. Where would you like to go?
I don't know. How
What?
about the
History.
what a beautiful waterfall. Wow, look at those big dogs. They're painted dogs. Called the painted dogs. And they are great fighters. There's 5 of them there. I thought there was even 4. And look at their dogs. They get around and they're great fighters. Those are cool birds. They're white and black. And they are living by. What a beautiful waterfall. Wow, what a beautiful log. It's so dark in here. It's a cheetah. Slurp, 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 slurp. Slurp, 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 slurp. Raspberry yogurt is very good. And I have some now. And I have some now.